Welcome to Mum Core channel with easy recipes and big flavors. Today, I will be sharing with you the recipe for Sinchochar with tomatoes. Here are the ingredients: sirloin beef, soy sauce, canola oil, salt and black pepper, garlic, ginger, onion, green scallions. First, slice the ginger. Then slice the garlic. Put 2 tablespoons of canola oil in the wok. Sauté the sliced ginger. Add 8 cloves of sliced garlic. Add 1 small sliced onion. Mix until fragrant. Add 2 pounds of thinly sliced sirloin beef. Then 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Mix well. Then add 1 cup of diced tomatoes. Cover and cook for 3 minutes until the tomatoes are soft. Add half a cup of beef broth or water and let it boil. Serve and enjoy. Hit that like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Here are all of my social media accounts. Thanks for watching.